June 2016, number 8. Okay, so they ask us to complete the sequence. So we start with the first figure. So a string, a knot, and 2 strings, and then from each end we go out 2, a knot, and 2, so that's figure 2. And then for figure 3, each end we pull out a knot, and for figure 4, each one we put a knot and 2 strings. So at each end we put a knot and 2 strings, a knot and 2 strings. So if we look at the pattern in the knots, we can see that in figure 1 we have 1 knot, and each knot then splits and gives us 2 more. Then each of these 2 gives us 2 more and 2 more, and so we go. So this would be 1, this would be 2, this row would now add on another 2 squared, 2 by 2. This, the figure 4 now will add on 2 cube, because each one would add on 2 more. So it would be the first 2 multiplying out by 2, and each of those now will cause 2 more, and that's how we get 2 cubed. So that will give us 15. And now for the number of strings. So in the first one we start off with 3 strings, and then we add on 4, and then each one doubles, so we add on 8. So this now will be 4 by 3. Sorry, not 4 by 3, 4 by 4, which is really 4 by 2 squared, and that will give us 31. Okay, so for the next piece, let's look at the pattern for the numbers for the string. So the first number is 3 for figure 1. Figure 2 is 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 0. Figure 3, 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 0 plus 4 by 2 to the power of 1. For the next one, it is 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 0 plus 4 by 2 to the power 1 plus 4 by 2 to the power 2. So the fifth one would be 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 0 plus 4 by 2 to the power 1 plus 4 by 2 squared plus 4 by 2 cubed, which is 63. Next one, so for figure number 6, it would be 3 plus 4 by 2 to the 0 plus 4 by 2 to the 1 plus 4 by 2 squared plus 4 by 2 cubed plus 4 by 2 to the 4th, which gives us 127. Okay, so figure number 7, we get 3 plus 4 by 2 to the 0 plus 4 by 2 to the 1 plus 4 by 2 squared plus 4 by 2 cubed plus 4 by 2 to the 4th plus 4 by 2 to the 5th, which gives us 255, and that is the answer we're looking for. So we know that will be figure number 7. Now we need to work out the number of knots. So if we look at the knots pattern, we know that the knots pattern is 2 to the power 0 for figure 1. So for figure 2 is 2 to the 0 plus 2, 1. Figure 3 is 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 squared. Figure 4 is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 cubed. So therefore for figure 7, notice we're going up to just 1 less. So for figure 7, will be 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 cubed plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 6, and we would end there and see what answer we got. And that gives us 111. Right, so for figure 10 now, to fill out for part 3, we know that for figure 10, it'll be 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 cubed plus 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 5 plus 2 to the 6 plus 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power of 9. Okay, please forgive me, there's an error. This added up to 127. So this should be 127. Okay, so if I've put everything correctly in the calculator, and hopefully I have, this answer should be 511. And now for the number of strings, we know that for the 10th number of strings, it will be 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 0 plus 4 by 2 to the power 1 plus 4 by 2 to the power 2 plus 4 by 2 to the power 3 plus 4 by 2 to the power 4 plus 4 by 2 to the power 5 plus 4 by 2 to the power 6 plus 4 by 2 to the power 7 plus 4 by 2 to the power of 8. If my calculations are correct, the answer is 2047. If you've seen the angel emoji, it means you've reached the end of the video. Congratulations. Remember to post it right after your trophy.